Namaskar. My name is Nilima Khanal and I am a modern girl. If you are a modern boy and looking for a partner to get arranged marriage, then you can contact me at moderngirlboy@gmail.com. Hi everyone, this is me Nilima and welcome back to my channel The Nidhi. Today I will be reacting on funny Indian matrimonial videos जुन एकदमै रमाइलो हुने वाला छ. So please do not miss the video and you watch the video till the end. So let's just get started.
Hello, ourselves, Mr. and Mrs. Mishra. We are upper class Brahmin.
And seek a suitable match for our only son Bhavesh.
कस्तो introduction हो. Hello, we are Mr. and Mrs. Mishra and we are upper class Brahmin.
We are liberal family and girl can wear a salwar suit while going out. Girl should be thin.
We are liberal family and girls can wear salwar suit while going out. Wow, what a liberal family. Let's see अझै कतिको liberal छ. Upper class Brahmin.
And fair. But career wise should not be too much successful or have too much potential. Girl should be able to cook and
God. Career wise, not too much potential, not too much successful. Because आफ्नो छोरालाई ठुलो देखाउनु परेन कस्तो.
should have long hairs. Since we are 13 people in our family, girl should be ready to teach all elders feet at all times.
एकचोटि यो अङ्कलको फेस हेरौँ न जुम गरेर.
And should be ready to dance at several programs held in our family. Girl should be
Should be ready to dance. यो कस्तो खालको एक्सपेक्टेसन हो यार.
maximum a graduate. Postgraduate girls should not be able to apply. Send recent photos to m4mishra@com.
Thanks.
Why is this uncle so much excited as if uncle को बिहे हो छोराको हैन. आन्टी त यस्तै छन् हैन. तर अङ्कललाई देखेर के फिल भयो भन्दाखेरि कुनै कुनै हाम्रो ग्रुपको मेम्बर्स हुन्छ प्रेजेन्टेसन दिने बेलामा जुन चाहिँ इन्ट्रोडक्सन र लास्टको मात्र भन्छ नि जस्तो हेलो एभ्रीवान दिस इज मी निलिमा खनाल एन्ड टुडे वी आर प्रेजेन्टिङ अन कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स अनि अरूले प्रेजेन्ट गर्यो अनि त्यसपछि थ्याङ्क्स जस्ट द्याट.
Hello,
हेलो
we are Nayaks and we have very open-minded
ओपन माइन्डेड.
family. We do not mind girl from any gotra or subcaste as long as she is from our caste.
Oh my god, so open-minded family. Wow.
Our one and only son is working in the London and he needs girl whose mood is not like London weather. It should be like Mumbai weather in monsoon. Cool in monsoon.
Cool mood त ठिकै छ तर mood full of water भने के हो? Mood full of water कस्तो होला त? If you know what is mood full of water, then please comment down below.
And full of water. As he is in transferable job, she should be willing to move all the time and accept him in all position.
She should be able to cook potato.
Accept him in all positions. यति धेरै ओपन माइन्डेड.
Should be able to cook potato in 10 different ways because our son loves potato.
What? Girls. तपाईहरु कसैलाई पोटेटोजलाई चाहिँ 10 डिफरेंट वेजमा कुक गर्न आउँछ भने लेट मी नो न. लेट मी नो. You're talented, you're gorgeous, you're independent, you're humble, you respect everyone. But if you don't know how to cook potatoes in 10 different styles, sorry, you're rejected.
Potato.
She should always agree to our son and rub his back at night. Girl has
Excuse me? Rub his back at night मतलब क्यों? I Cannot even imagine. Rub his back at night. Okay. I don't
No
know.
marks on face or on her character. She should be innocent like our son and should cook for him all the time.
यति धेरै एक्सपेक्टेसनहरू छ, यति धेरै डिमान्ड्सहरू छ. छोरालाई त देखाऊ यार, कस्तो छ हेरौँ न, हामी पनि हेरौँ कस्तो खालको छ.
She should not follow him on the Twitters or poke him on the Facebook. If you are interested in our son, please mail recent photographs to nayakvk@com.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested यार. मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है.
Hi, I'm Pranali.
यो केटी चाहिँ अलिक राम्रो होला जस्तो छ है. अलिकति ड्रेसअप पनि स्टाइलिस, चट्ट लगाएर सनग्लासेस माथि राखेको छ. राम्रो होला जस्तो.
I have done my MPhil from Jawaharlal Nehru University in Social Science. I am looking for a decent man. He should never offer flower because flower is the symbol that he wants to deflower me.
डिफ्लावर मतलब के हो डिफ्लावर भन्ने? सरी.
Do not want a man who think highly of himself. I want a man who believe in equality and should be willing to work in kitchen every evening. He should let me work, let me decide when I want to break my egg for breakfast or for dinner.
डाइरेक्टली भन न. डाइरेक्टली भन न. When I want to break my eggs.
I will love with all my heart, but only heart. No chipstone can be appreciated. Only
Yeah, okay. Love with only heart.
willing male, please apply. Rest, goodbye. Send biodata to equalbalance@gmail.com.
Hello, this is Pratham
Hello.
Lange. But people in my hometown call me G465. That is because I am the inventor of many dishes, especially Gobi 65. I also know how to
Gobi 65, G465.
cook Gobi 66 and Gobi 67. I will be a loving husband and cook for my loving wife all 365.
He's J65. He knows how to cook 66 and 67. 65, 66, 67. 68, 69.
Days in a year. I am skilled in handling any amount of heat in different rooms of the house.
What does he mean? I'm skilled in handling any amount of heat in any room.
With my signature dishes and culinary expertness, I know how to reach a man's heart is through stomach and want to reach heart of woman, and I promise to do it through stomachs only. So if it
He wants to reach a woman's heart through stomach only. Okay? Stomach only. पहिला heart to heart love, अहिले stomach only.
interested in being fed, please mail your color pictures to chan65@com.
Hello, welcome, namaste.
Hello, welcome, namaste.
I'm a modern day woman looking for a modern day man. So, I will not give my name because what is in the name?
So, के भनेर बोलाउनु त? What is in the name? के भनेर बोलाउनु? के भनेर फर्ममा नाम लेख्नु? You're here for admission? College admission? Okay, tell me your name.
I will not give my name.
What? I need your name to write it in your admission form.
What is in the name? I'm a modern day woman. Well, I want different qualities in a man. First, he should have no expectations from me. Second, the boy should not think that I'm so that he cannot talk to a dhobi and send me away. Third,
Okay. She is saying that he should not have any expectation from her. Let's see उसको demand की कस्तो छ है त.
whenever he's out on an office tour, he should always take me with him. Fourth, I will never cook for him because a woman's place is not in the kitchen. Fifth, I will never dance with him because I do not want him to lead. That is also very insulting for a woman. Sixth, if he ever opens the door for me, I will leave him.
If ever my future boyfriend or future husband opens door for me, I'll be so much happy. But look at her. त्यो त एउटा courtesy हो, त्यो त एउटा माया हो, respect हो नि हैन. But no, boys no, men no. If you ever open door for her, she'll leave.
I mean, he should not think that I cannot open my own doors. So, all the males who are interested can send their mails at poojachaturvedi@com.
Hi there, my name is Tanmay and my friends calling me Tanu lovingly. Actually, I am looking for my own Manu, same like the
Tanu, it's Manu.
film. She should be no smoker, no drinker, and should not chew tobacco or my brain.
अबे यस्तो मान्छे घरमा हात माग्न आयो अनि केटीले चुरोट खानु भएन, नराम्रो कुराहरू सेवन गर्नु भएन, अनि टोब्याको पनि च्यु गर्नु भएन, मेरो दिमाग पनि च्यु गर्नु भएन, डाइरेक्टली भन्यो नि को.
Education no ba, caste no ba, but age is barred up to 30, and you can say ideally facial hairs is not welcome.
फेसियल हेयर नट वेलकम. त्यो त एउटा त्यो त आफ्नो फेसियलहरू निकाल्न पनि सकिन्छ, राख्न पनि सकिन्छ मन लाग्यो भने. त्यही भएर यो मान्छे यति क्लिन सेभन छ.
I has my own house, own car, and a very successful career. So if anybody interested over there, please write me at tanuwantsmanu@com. Thank you very much.
So guys, that was it for today. I hope तपाईलाई यो भिडियो मन पर्यो होला. And if you want me to make similar kinds of video, then please comment down below so that मलाई थाहा हुन्छ तपाईलाई कस्तो खालको भिडियोज मन पर्छ भनेर. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.